So what was it like selling your house to Home Buyer Louisiana?
Smooth sailing and no complication. They work with you. I mean, make you feel at home.
Awesome. What was it like? How was Shanon? Was Shanon helpful?
Shanon was so helpful. I don't know. Are you married? Okay, we just got married.
Now that
Shanon is awesome. He is so awesome.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you, Miss Arretta.
No.
I appreciate that, sweetheart. I really do.
Thank you.
I'm glad we could help, and here's to new beginnings.
And to new beginnings, new journey, new memories. But guess what? I got another house for you.
Even better. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.